Hey girl, welcome back. My name is Kayla and today's video is going to be another haul. I know, I spent so much money on stuff. It's crazy, but it's justified because you know what? It's the holiday season and you know what? It's gift giving season, okay? Which means that you can give gifts to yourself. That's how it works. Okay, it's enough of me justifying me spending money on makeup, but you know, it's fine. Okay. I was actually sent some stuff, as you can tell by the box over here. I can't. So Riley Rose sent me some products, and if you guys do not know what Riley Rose is, it is pretty much Forever 21 in makeup. It's an extension of Forever 21, but in makeup. But in my favorite thing ever. Not all of them, so if you want to know if your store is going to be getting Riley Rose, then check the description down below. It'll have all the information in there. Before we get into this haul, I just wanted to let you guys know they're having a Black Friday sale and almost everything is 30% off. So go check it down below. Dude, I was surprised about like some of the things that I really wanted to buy, like the Lime Crime palettes. The Venus XL palette, originally $58, is now $45. Girl, I'm gonna go broke. My bank's gonna hate me again. I'm just saying that. I'm so excited. Look at that, that's so cute. Okay, just saying though, pink is my favorite color and pink is just to die for. If I see pink, I'm instantly happy and I'm instantly like, yes, I love you. You're awesome. And if you look in here, there's glitter in here. There's confetti. Oh my gosh, I am extremely excited. The first thing I'm pulling out of this is the Cosmedica Skincare Rose Glow Kit. So this comes, oh my gosh, I have always wanted one of these and I've never, and I know they're not expensive. I know that they're not, but the thing is that like, I don't know why I don't buy it. And maybe because I'm scared. They have a micro needling derma roller in here. If you guys do not know what that is, it's pretty much the roller that you roll on your face. If you have any acne scarring like myself, any dark spots, any like scarring that you want to fade away or anything like that, you basically roll your face with this. And then it also has an illuminating rose gold serum in here. It has hyaluronic acid, which is really great for hydration. Oh my gosh, this looks gorgeous. Do you see that? That is beautiful. Look at the frosted glass. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells fresh. Bloop. Okay. Holy cow, whoa, that feels so soft. I also wanted to show you guys the derma roller in case you didn't know what it looks like. It's pretty much this and it has a bunch of mini needles. I really want to, oh my gosh, that doesn't even feel that bad. I was so scared to get something like this and put it on my face because I was like, oh, it's gonna hurt. It doesn't even feel that bad. The next thing I see here is a Eco Beyond Best Skincare Kit. They have the, okay, I cannot pronounce this, phytogenic facial foam. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a spa. Phyto Aqua Cream. I'm assuming this is a moisturizer. We also have the Phyto Aqua Emulsion and the toner. And this is really good from what I'm hearing of the products of these. This is like your glass skin skincare. So I'm really excited to try these. The next thing I see in this box is a BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. I'm excited to try this out. Yes, it's a lot of shimmers, but it'll be great to go over something. Oh, girl. Okay. Two-tone. I want to see what this looks like. Oh my. I just need you. Oh my God. Okay, I'm too excited right now. Okay. Ah! Dude, that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I just have to see on the viewfinder because I have to see as it's like swatching, but at the same time I want to show you guys. Galaxy Chic from BH Cosmetics. Again, another one of my favorite brand. I was gonna say products, but it's a brand. This is so cute. Okay, if you guys are considering getting a gift, I love this because of the way this came packaged. Look at this. It has a little bow on it. I mean, mind you still want to wrap it, but this looks cute. We have the Ultimate Skincare Zimu collection, and we have the Manuka Honey collection. It is a honey glow skin duo. So we have the body wash and the cleanser. So I have a facial cleanser and a body wash. I just want to know what this smells like. How do I open this? Oh my God, I'm gonna smell like gold. This literally smells like gold. This smells like a spa plus gold plus honey plus like beautifulness in one, okay? The last thing that is in the box is, I'm sorry, I'm just so excited, is the I'm Rose by Moly. Oh my God, they have Moly. Oh my God, I totally forgot. So they have the Tony Moly I'm Rose mask and hand cream set. It looks like a candy. Okay, yes. So it comes with 2 vitalizing I'm Rose mask sheets. If you guys do not do masks, what are you doing? Mask sheets are the best. Plus it makes you feel nice, makes you relax. I'm gonna mask right now because I really need one. I haven't done one this week. I really need one. My skin really needs it. You also have the I'm Rose Revitalizing Sleeping Mask. I need to try this. I've never done like a sleeping mask aside from moisturizer. That's it. Then we have the I'm Rose hand cream, which I need some right now because my hands are very dry. This. Oh, don't open stuff like I did. Ooh. Okay. I need to throw this in my purse because it doesn't smell bad. It smells amazing compared to my other hand cream that I have. Smells terrible and I want to replace it, but I also want to get my money's worth out of it. So I just leave it there. And I'm so glad I got sent this because it doesn't smell terrible like my other one. It smells so good. That was a big haul. Okay, I'm just excited to start playing with everything. I am so excited. If you guys would like to know the price of everything, down below I'll have a list of everything and I'll also have the links to where you can find everything that they sent me. If you guys want to purchase some products like these for a family friend, a girlfriend, any boyfriend, I don't know, anybody, or if you want to buy it for yourself, go check it down below because there is going to be a Black Friday sale. So go check it out. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. I think I'm done. All right. Yeah. All right. Bye guys.